Hey everybody and welcome to our channel Yummy Healthy Lifestyle. That's the first time I'm talking on this channel, so I'm a little excited, but anyways, let's start. Today I want to give you a little tour showing our houseplants. Let's start with this gorgeous pothos plant. Maybe some of you know them already from my Instagram account. It's a really fast growing plant, really satisfying to watch them grow. Let me show you that new tiny leaves. They are very bushy on top. You reach that on the one hand by cutting them back, they will get more growth on the top. Or if you're propagating them, make sure you put 15 to 20 leaves depending on the pot you use into the soil, then every leaf will grow a new arm like these two here. Last year I was propagating 3 plants out of them. I will show you later in this video. In 2 weeks it's equinox, it's the equal length of day and night. Then I will prune them back and show you how to propagate them. We have these 2 big plants in our sleeping room because they are very efficient air cleaners and also gives oxygen day and night, which is special. Not every plant is doing that. Alright, let's go on. Over here we got this beautiful Monstera deliciosa. I got this plant a year from now. Well, it hurts my heart, I have to cut this plant, but the new leaves gets brown spots, so I had no choice. But you see the new growth? So if you may do something wrong to your plant like me, don't be sad, it will come back. Next to the Monstera we have the Sansevieria or snake plant. It absorbs carbon dioxide and converts it into oxygen. I really love this plant and I'm really proud of this little new growth. And over here we got the white adder's mouth. It also filters pollutants like benzene, trichoethylene or formaldehyde from the air. The moisture that is lost through the leaves can drop the humidity of a room by more than 5%, so this plant is also perfect to have it in your living or sleeping room. And next to them we got this Calathea triostar. This plant is also air purifying. And I really love this plant because it brings color into your rooms and yeah, makes you happy. The last plant in our sleeping room is the string of hearts. Well, my plant here don't get much light at this place, so maybe I give her another spot, then the little branches and leaves will grow faster. Let me show you the top of this plant. It was very empty, so I just circled the strings in the pot. There will be new growth. Don't let it dry out on the top. This is why I put the foil till she got these new roots. Also, one of my favorite green friends is this beautiful Scandapsis. This plant prefers bright light. You see new leaves are coming and the latest leaf which was coming is this. You can also watch them grow. It grows very fast. You see the darker space between the windows. The Scandapsus only produces a few leaves. In 2 weeks I will also cut its branches and propagate a new plant out of that. This little crassula is now 2 years old and also loves bright light, and even in sunlight this plant will grow faster. It's a succulent, so don't need much water. This funny plant called Hoya, the leaves will grow from the end of these empty branches, so don't cut them and also make sure to not overwater them. This is the latest baby of the huge pothos you've seen before. It also gets new leaves. I'm very excited how it will look in a few months. I will show you, of course. I'm sure the most of you knows the spider plant, so I will fastly go on to the next plant. I don't know the name, so if any of you knows which plant is growing so fast in my living room and brings those huge growths, please let me know in the comments. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about any of these plants or want to watch more content like that, make sure to take a moment out of your very busy day to subscribe to the channel or smash that like button. Thank you, and let's go on to the next one. This is the Dipsus lutensis. Gives me a tropical feeling into my kitchen. It needs water regularly. Avoid waterlogging, but keep the soil nice and moist. She just doesn't like wet feet. I water this palm every other day. This houseplant also filters pollutants from the air. I love to see her growing every morning with my coffee mug. Yeah, this plant is not poisonous and therefore safe for pets or small children. On one of the next houseplant tours, I tell you more about the detox qualities about these plants. The NASA did some interesting research to clean the air on their space missions, so there's a lot more to tell. Be excited! This is the second plant I made out of the pothos. The third was a present to my sister-in-law. People are very happy to get a plant you propagated, so remember that. And this is the second snake plant. These are also 2 little babies. I put them in those glasses because for me it looks very nice and harmonic. I'm very excited how they will look in a few months. I propagated them a year ago, and 2 months ago they started growing very fast. I got this Jade tree last year as a kind of nursery. I will try to make a Jade bonsai tree out of it. So if any of you have experience how to create Jade bonsai trees, please let me know in the comment section. I will keep you updated about this little Jade tree. And this was the last snow this winter, 3 weeks ago. And I'm really looking forward to start the planting balcony action again. And this was this morning. And here we have little red poppy starts to grow in a pot together with syringa. Hopefully they like each other into that pot. Well, let's see.
Thanks for watching and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.